some campers here, and they are having the time of their lives. In fact, you might say they're having a big bubble blast here. This is Anne-Marie and Ella. Anne-Marie, you're going into 5th grade at St. Joe's Maumee. Ella's going into 4th grade at Stranahan Elementary, and you're already scientists. How is this possible, Carl Nelson?
These guys were part of our summer camp called Inside the Lab, where they become the next level of extreme scientists here at Imagination Station. They spent a week learning a dozen different demonstrations, tips on how to present things to the public, how to answer questions. And in fact, what did you guys learn? Did you learn about, give me an example.
We learned about how does dry ice work, and about if you touch it, it's really cold.
Yeah, dry ice. And then did you do the Alka-Seltzer rockets?
Well, we did kind of practice them.
Practice them, okay. And it was really cool because by the end of the week, they learn all this stuff. At the end of the week, they do a big show. Everybody in camp presents their demonstration. And when I asked these two, who were the campers of the week, which is a big honor, I asked them if they came, what demonstration would they want to do, and what'd you guys say?
The elephant toothpaste.
All right.
Elephant's toothpaste. Okay. Well, Anne-Marie, what do we have inside that graduated cylinder down there?
In here is H2O2. It is mostly water with an extra element of oxygen.
Okay. So what are we actually going to do, Ella, when we do this experiment? What's going to happen?
So it's going to mix sort of like bubbles.
Okay. We're going to make bubbles.
Yeah. And
So-
it's going to going to mix with water and oxygen, so it squirts out when the oxygen doesn't have any more room.
Okay, so our first step is probably to add, what's our first step? What ingredient do we add?
No.
Uh-oh. There's a differing of opinions.
Oh, that's okay. Either one will work.
It's a
Let's do the soap
scientific
first.
method. It involves experimentation.
Let's do them both. Why not? Add some soap in, Ella. We're adding the soap because what does it do?
It's gonna make the bubbles.
Makes the bubbles, okay. And we want the bubbles to look fun, so that's why we're gonna add the food coloring as well. Nice. So we got green and pink. We're gonna swish it around a little bit to mix up the food coloring.
Ah, yes.
And the soap.
Swim, my pretties.
Now,
This would actually take 6 months for it to start.
we don't have 6 months.
No, because we have a catalyst to speed it up.
A catalyst, excellent. So we're gonna add the catalyst, and then what are we gonna do? We should warn Tony.
Oh yeah.
What?
We need to put this down, and we need you to step back.
Okay,
one step.
I'll extend my arm so we can hear you, but thanks. She's like, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay, so we're gonna do a countdown. And we have some people in the audience here. If you guys could do a countdown and help us out, give us a countdown starting from 5, and then we're gonna pour in. But wait, Anne-Marie's not ready. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Demonstrators, okay. So audience, give us a countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pour it in. Let's see what happens.
Oh, boy.
The catalyst is mixing.
It's a race.
Whoa! But wait, it's not done. It's not done yet. There's still a lot more of that hydrogen peroxide in there, and we are going to generate, what would you call this, Ella?
The elephant toothpaste.
There you go.
Elephant
Why did you
toothpaste.
choose this experiment?
Because it's really fun, and also if you put your hand above it, it's really, really hot.
Well, we don't even have to ask how much you learned and how great of a time you had down here during summer camp at the Imagination Station. Thank you so much, you Campers of the Week, for showing off to us.
And if you're wanting to do this camp, there's still time. Check out our website. Oh, it's going to run off the table.
Oh, boy.
Check out our website. The science is so big it won't fit on the table. You can still sign up for a summer camp.
There you go. Summer's
out.
not over, so you just visit the Imagination Station's website. And, you know, in the meantime, come on down. Enjoy the Imagination Station. You're open on Saturdays, and kids of all ages have all kinds of fun. Thanks again, Anne-Marie and Ella. I learned something today. It's that the kids are smarter than I am. So that's how you imagine it.
So we'll see you in Imagination Station.
See? See what I'm saying?